I've been obsessed with exploring wood and direction ever since my trip to Japan earlier this year. So today, I'm walking straight into the wood shop and diving into a new piece. No script, just the raw sounds of the process. I make my way back to my art studio for finishing touches, fine tuning, and sanding. And after the wood is prepped, we stain with a Miniwax Golden Oak stain. And then we wait 5 to 10 minutes to let the wood soak it all in. My intuition led me to add last minute designs to this art piece. So I used my iPad to create my design and to transfer it on to the new piece. Using my MetaQuest goggles, I was able to map out my design with ease and precision. This is where the real work happened. Mapping out every vertical and horizontal strip took time. Every measurement, every angle had to be exact. This is the part nobody sees, but it's what makes everything else possible. All right, now that you've seen the entire process, I want to share with you what this piece actually means to me, because it's more than just the wood and the build. There's meaning behind everything that I did. This piece is called Hidden Harmony, and when I went to Japan, something that really inspired me was how their culture works. Something that really stood out to me was their discipline as a culture and how just strict they are with certain things, and I correlated that with my life and how disciplined I am to get to the goals that I want to get to. And sometimes I'm a little too disciplined to the point where I sometimes forget that I am human and that there's a sense of play. And that sense of play is what makes me the artist that I want to be. This right here is signifying the discipline, the structure in life, and basically following that path that I've always set for myself, following the goals and making sure that I hit those targets, but allowing myself to be playful while I'm doing those things. So it's basically finding that balance of play, that balance of discipline, and that balance of like being a goal oriented while understanding your true nature. And that's it. Another piece inspired by my time in Japan, brought to life by one cut, one layer, and one detail at a time. Thanks for being here and sharing this moment in the shop with me. Peace.